For our pension trust fund, this is just like you would think, right? Like if you're working at a job where you get a pension at the end of it, this is if you work for the government, you get a pension at the end of it. So government sponsored benefit and contribution plans and other employee benefits. Yeah. So you'll contribute money, that money gets invested, that money grows over time and gets distributed to you when you retire for maybe the rest of your life. Who knows? I don't know. I don't get a pension, so I don't really know. I know how to account for pensions, but I don't know anything about receiving them. All right, pension trust fund. So employer and employee contributions. Resources received are credited to additions and described as employer or employee contributions. Additions appear on the statement of changes in fiduciary net position. The journal entry to record the receipt of money from other funds. So this is going to be when the pension trust fund receives money, they debit cash. Well, of course, right? They're receiving cash. And they credit additions to employer contribution restricted. So this is restricted monies. It's not revenue. This is restricted monies. It's more of a liability. And then we've also got income from investments. This is recorded as an addition, so similar to investment earnings in commercial financial statements. And you might be like, all right, Nick, you're kind of blowing through this stuff. And I am. It's more the examples here, not so much. I just want to give you a nice overview, but nothing too crazy here. Lots of just questions about straight memorization based questions. What basis of accounting do we use? What funds are included in fiduciary funds? Examples of each. These specifics here really not going to be too critically important. Couple more slides here for expenses for the pension fund. Well, those are going to be administrative expenses. Again, you got to pay an accountant to deal with that. You have benefit payments, just reductions in what you have in that pension plan. Nothing out of the ordinary.